Equipment data layers are key to staying updated on equipment performance.
Regularly accessing these maps enables timely management decisions.
Let's begin by navigating to the map in FarmCommand. Select a field on the map and then you will see a detail screen on the right. Then, switch from field info to field layers. You will have several options, but the equipment data is located in either the applied or harvest section. After expanding a section, you will see a list of dates where data is available. Expand the date and you will see the equipment data layers. Use the arrows to move through all of the thumbnails. Click on a thumbnail to enlarge it on the map. Here I selected to view the yield map. I can see the legend for the map color on the bottom of the screen, or I can click the information icon to see all of the details associated with this layer. Having access to these data layers enables you to monitor treatment areas, conduct profit analysis, and create insightful data overlays. Explore these features by watching additional videos or enrolling in the Equipment Data Layers course on Farmers Edge University. Thanks for watching.